So let's look at how you can create tags inside Kit, and then you can apply them to your subscribers' profiles. So first of all, we'll head to Grow Subscribers, and down the right hand side is where you'll see the tags are kept here. So if I click this little this little drop down button here, you'll see all my tags for this demo account appearing in there. Now, if you're not sure what a tag is, think of a tag a bit like a post-it note you would stick on someone to say that attribute is true of that person. So an example would be they signed up for my webinar. So that could be a tag that you could associate to someone's profile. So everyone who signed up for your webinar would have that tag, and then by virtue of that you can send emails to those people who signed up for your webinar. Tags can be pretty much anything you want them to be. So you can see there, booked that call, interested, I could say that they're interested in something. So interested in coaching, interested in Facebook, interested in Instagram, interested in LinkedIn, etc. So you get the gist. It's like it can literally be anything that you want to associate as an attribute of your subscribers. So let's look at that as an example. So if I go to my website, let's say so one of the things that I give away on my website is this free starter guide. So the email marketing starter guide. So if someone signs up and joins my list via that form, then inside Kit, inside the Grow Subscriber menu, this little plus button next to the tags, if you click that, it pops this little form up. You can call your tag anything you want. So I'm going to say demo downloaded. I'm only using the word demo because I'm creating this demo here. Downloaded starter guide. Okay. You can see you're allowed up to 50 characters. It tells you how many you've used. I've used 29. Once you've created it, click save, and that's the tag now created. It's as simple as that. Now, if I want to apply that tag, there's a number of ways in which I can do it. The first way I can do it is going straight to the subscriber that I'm interested in tagging and just manually adding it. So let's say it was this one here, Jeremiah. I go to that person's profile, I scroll down to the bottom left, and you can see under the section here, tags, I can click this plus button, and then I can choose to select the demo downloaded starter guide tag, and then click add tag. So now that tag has been applied to that person's profile, and I can filter them based on having that tag. So that's one way of doing it manually. However, what you probably do in most cases is create an automation. So I'm going to create a simple automation, and I'm going to say that the trigger point for this automation is when someone joins a form, and I'm going to say it's let's say the starter guide. So I'm going to say if someone downloads this form, in other words, they fill in this form here, and they want to download the guide. As soon as they enter into this automation, I can then tell Kit to automatically assign that tag to their profile. So I click the plus button, and then down here I can say add tag, and then from the drop down I just click the demo downloaded. I just select the tag that I created there, which is that one, demo downloaded starter guide, and click add action. And then what Kit will do is it'll apply that tag to everybody who joins this automation. The third way you can do it is through another automation called a rule. So inside the rules, so you can do it here whenever someone subscribes to a form, it'll say which form, and I'll say this one here, the freebie email marketer starter guide. So if anyone signs up to that, subscribes to that form, then I want to add a tag. Kit then says which tag do you want to add, and I'll say demo downloaded starter guide, that one, and then click save. And you can see now that rule's now been enabled down there. So it means that anytime anyone signs up to that, they'll get that tag applied to their profile. So that's what a tag is. That's how you create one, and those are the three most common ways in which people apply tags to their subscribers' profiles.